In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct pronunciation in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, let's set the stage. ElevenLabs is an incredible tool for generating realistic speech from text using AI. However, just like any technology, it can sometimes mispronounce certain words or phrases. No need to worry, though. There are some straightforward steps you can take to get the pronunciation just right. So, let's dive in. The very first step you can try is to simply regenerate the speech. That's right. If the initial attempt sounds a bit off, the easiest fix is to render the text again. It's possible that the first generation had minor glitches or hiccups in the synthesis. Just hit that regenerate button, and oftentimes the AI will get it right on the second go. It's a simple yet effective approach. Now, if after regenerating the speech, the pronunciation is still not quite what you hoped for, then it's time to take a closer look at your text. Step 2 involves rewording your text and checking for spelling errors. It's surprising how just a few tweaks can make a difference. Look for any typos or unusual phrasing that might confuse the AI. Sometimes, adjusting your word choice or sentence structure can help too. It could be as simple as replacing a word with a synonym or rearranging the sentences for clarity. Additionally, if you're dealing with tricky words, consider switching to phonetic spelling. This can guide the AI to pronounce the word correctly. Phonetic spelling might seem a bit daunting at first, but it's all about representing sounds as they are pronounced as closely as possible. This little trick can really enhance the AI's understanding of how to articulate the text correctly. Now, let's say those initial steps didn't resolve the issue. Don't worry, there's still one more strategy to explore. Step 3 is to switch to a different voice. Sometimes the voice model you're using may not be as optimized for certain dialects, languages, or types of expression. ElevenLabs offers various voice options, and each one has its unique attributes. If you find that a particular voice struggles with certain words, experiment by trying out a different one. You might find that the same text sounds dramatically more accurate with just a simple voice change. If you combine these strategies, regenerating the speech, rewording your text, and switching voices, you'll be well on your way to achieving crystal clear pronunciation in your generated audio. Remember, the key is to be patient and a bit creative with your text. Sometimes the AI needs that extra nudge to deliver the pronunciation you envision. So that wraps up our guide on correcting pronunciation in ElevenLabs. With these tips in hand, I hope you'll feel more confident tackling any hiccups in your speech synthesis projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more